This video documents the procedure for a light stone restoration process. The floor is free of cracks, scratches, and other damage. It has previously been polished in situ and is only moderately worn. This beginning condition makes it possible for the light restoration process to provide a dramatic improvement. The polishing process actually begins with surface protection. Marble polishing is done wet. For this reason, it's important to protect all surfaces from the slurry that's made during the process. This is a standard practice for any work that's done using water. Being organized are the diamond tools. The polishing process requires progressively finer tools to produce a natural shine. The process is done methodically and carefully. The restoration of marble floors requires the machine has the time to fully refine the stone. It's this refinement that provides the foundation for a process that yields a clear shine. Attention to details is important. Areas done by hand are also carefully treated to match in refinement and reflectivity. As the polishing process progresses, the floor is continually cleaned during the process. This practice contains the slurry to only the area where the work is being done. Once the polishing process is complete, a stain protectant is applied. This product protects the stone and makes it easier to maintain. Finishing the process is a dry buffing to heat the protectant. This locks it in place and provides slip resistance. And that's about it. Light stone restoration to return the floor to a highly reflective and protected surface.